Wudu Guide. Starting supplication. First of all, you have to make niyyah for wudu. As per Islamic concept, niyyah refers to intention of doing or performing an act. In order to perform wudu truly by all your heart, you should focus seriously on what you are doing. Niyyah doesn't necessarily involve saying anything loud, but focusing on the phrase, Bismillah, is an adequate way to carry out the centering obligation. Dua while starting wudu.
Bismillah.
Wash your hands. Wash your both hands to the wrist 3 times, ensuring that you are using your left hand to wash your right hand and vice versa. Make sure to wash in between your fingers and all the way up to your wrist. This act of washing hands should be repeated thrice. Take water into your mouth. Use your right hand to cup water in your mouth to the throat. Gargle if necessary so that all the remaining food particles get out of your mouth. Washing nose. Use your right hand to cup water and inhale it into your nose 3 times. Breathe in sharply and immediately throw out without harming yourself. If it is difficult for you to inhale water into your nose, you can use your left finger to wet your nose, and can put water on the lower part of your nostril. Wash your face. Wash your face 3 times by spreading your hands from your right ear to the left, and from the edge of the hair to the chin. Wash your arms. Wash your lower arms from wrists to elbows, leaving no part dry. From your wrist to your elbow, wash your right arm with your left hand 3 times and then wash your left arm with your right hand 3 times. Clean your head. Wash your head from front to the back with wet hands. Gently wipe your forehead from the eyebrow to the hairline. Do this 1 time. Wash/clean your ear. With the same water clean your ears inside out. Use index finger to clean inside of the ear and thumb to clean backside of the ear. Wash properly from the back of your neck. Use backside of your both hands to clean neck. This action should be done once. Wash your feet. Wash your right feet first and then the left feet. Especially wet toes 3 times. Clean up the ankles and make sure that water reaches between the spaces in your toes. Use your pinky finger to clean the spaces between the toe and fingers. Recite these du'as after performing wudu.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.
The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if anyone performs ablution and offers a 2-rakat prayer during which he does not think of anything else, not related to the present prayer, then his past sins will be forgiven.